Imagine the feeling of driving a brand new sports car across the desert terrain. The adrenaline rush that comes from accelerating down the open road. What if I told you something new is on the horizon? A groundbreaking innovation. The world's first personal air vehicle of its kind. With speeds that reach over 60 miles per hour and a 250-pound weight limit, this fully electric manned drone will be one of the best experiences you've ever had. And the best part? Anyone can fly it. Get your easy-build Dragon Air vehicle and take it for a ride you'll never forget.